Okay, exciting times. We are finally at the last stage of key fob design, CAD building, and printing. These are some of the final products. They're very impressive, and students are able to take them home and keep them for themselves or give them to a loved one. And if you come over here, you can see we are printing another batch right here. So the printing is a little slow, but it's pretty cool.
So I made this square key fob for my sister because at the end of the school year she's going to get her driver's permit, so I put her initials and then I put blue key rings. That's her favorite color.
Printer is printing about 10 key fobs and they're all super cool. So yeah.
Since I'm a BTS fan, I'm making a BTS design.
And what are you making?
A BTS design, so it's going to be like that.
So my design is about like the things I like, and about the things I like and the shape in here. And it's about the sports teams I like and about the shape and like the things I like to do.
How I made this is I sketched it out in my engineering notebook, then I built it in OnShape, and then I downloaded it to the drive. I like it because it has my initials on it, and it's for me because I always lose my home key, so yeah.
I'm doing my name because the other one was a bit too hard, so I'm switching it to just my name, yeah. And I'm trying.
So I'm making this for my grandma, and I'm gonna make a heart. So I just wrote my best grandma ever because I didn't really know what to write there. But then I'm trying to make a heart, so I'm gonna put another circle there and then lines.
I'm designing a key fob for me, and it's based off of my favorite football team.
Which is?
The Seattle Seahawks.
Okay, so my key fob is about keeping your keys safe. So I have 4 holes to keep your keys in. It's very organized, and they're they're a decent width apart. So I added 4, so you can keep 4 keys at a time. And to me, hockey is very important. It's my favorite sport. So I wrote hockey life on it. And then in the back, I added a little indent to insert a RFID tag so you can track it from your phone.
This is my key fob. I made it for my mom, and it says Hoya. It's been removed to make the letters. This is a 1/4 of an inch for the what is it called, keyhole. I made the bulk of it 1/4 of an inch. For this part I made it 3 inches squared. For this part I made it 1 inch squared.
This is my key fob. I was planning on just making it for anyone in my family because I just put my last name on it. I was planning. I wanted to make it a little bit bigger because it's a little small, but I am just putting it on my backpack.
It says boo because I like to scare my family.
Hi, I'm Henry, and I made this key fob for my brother. He has a bunch of weird keys in his room, or stuff. I have no clue what it's for, but I thought he might want this.
I'm making a softball because I play softball, and it's got my name in the middle. So yeah.
So I put it as, it's gonna be mine, of course. And I made it SSG because it's in Rocket League term. And I want to be, it's a clan of SSG Space Station Gaming. And SSL is the highest rank you can get, which I'm trying to aim for.
On mine, I did my logo and then I did my initials, and then on the back is my name, and I made it smooth because, yeah. I made mine for myself, and I'm gonna round the edges, but I have my name, like my phone number and my address. Then I'm putting the colon up top, and yeah.
This is mine. It's a pizza.
I'm just going around opening. This is my pizza. The whole thing is just filleted all the way. All of these things are .25, and then each of these things are. Here, let me look at my notes. Each of these are 1.25. Then the total length across here is 1 inch.
It's 3 by 1 by 0.25, and then it's got 0.25 added, and then it's got
Impressive.
Okay, this is my key fob, and it has my name in it, and it's a, I believe, 2 by 1 rectangle, and it has a quarter-inch circle, and it is about, or it is a quarter-inch thick.
It's 3 inches by 1 inch, and
What does MTA stand for?
it's the soccer team my brother plays for. It's Minnesota Thunder Academy.
Okay. Milo.
Actually, I didn't do a lot today, but I did some fillets and I did like 0.2 extra in on that, and then I'm making the corner circle right now.
Okay, so mine, I did mine 2.5. This is 2.5 inches. And then I just filleted the corners, and then I put my mom's name in there, and then a keyhole that is as big as the depth, which is a quarter inch. So yeah. So this design is for my mom because she was born in 1973. So I wanted to give this to her because I don't think she has a key fob yet, like that she uses like a lot. So I just decided to make one for her.
Well, it says home, and I was about to put my keys on here for my bike.
Let's see what you have on the keep at the home.
Oh, it just says home, so that I can remind me where I'm going to. If I'm going